Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Baseball. To begin, hold your Wii remote firmly, just like you would a real baseball bat. The primary goal is simple: score more runs than the opposing team over a full game. Remember, each team gets 3 outs per inning before the sides switch, so make every play count. We'll cover all the essential techniques to help you master the game. When batting, your timing is everything. Wait for the pitch to approach the plate, then swing the Wii remote with a natural motion. A well-timed swing will result in a powerful hit, sending the ball far into the outfield. Experiment with swinging slightly early or late to adjust for fastballs or curveballs. Aim for the sweet spot to maximize your chances of getting on base and scoring runs. On the mound, precision is key. Hold down the button and perform a throwing motion with the Wii remote to deliver the pitch. You can influence the ball's trajectory and speed by how you swing your arm. For a fastball, throw straight. To throw a curveball, twist your wrist slightly as you release. Mix up your pitches to keep the batter guessing and strike them out. Once the ball is hit, your fielders will automatically move to catch it. If a fielder catches the ball, you can press the button to throw it to a base and try for an out. Base running is mostly automatic. Your players will advance after a hit. However, you can sometimes influence their movement by pressing the B button to return to base. Focus on making accurate throws to secure those outs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.